A video and we're gonna introduce you another member of the clan. Big Guy Valor! AKA Cool Guy! Bro!
Sana kayo?
Bro, di na nag-hater. Ayo, smash! Smash! Ayo, smash! Okay guys, I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay, Niger.
I think we need to join them.
What?
We need to join them.
Oh, the press anything in press
In the prime, yeah.
Now, yo, what's good?
Alright, let's join them. Let's join the girls. Yo, I am Mango Pool. I lag.
Alis ka muna. Wait lang, may technique ako dyan. Well, ano ka? Set. Lag.
Oh, okay.
Nah, you lagged.
Laugh na graphics ni Pingoy ah.
Ay, basa ka na.
Tara na, dito na.
Bet, let's go. Bro, yep, join.
Hayaan mo na.
Hayaan mo na.
4 naman yung maximum eh.
Oh, Salia. Ito na yung Salia.
Aliyah.
Ayo, smash. Ayo, smash. Somebody gonna join. There's no one. Let's team up on her.
No, let's not.
Oh, come on. That's why. It's
Better.
Okay, get. Don't show us. Bro, okay. Show us.
You update.
Oh, you ain't late. Ayo, Tale of the Five. How do I play this?
Describe mo yung word mo pag nakakuha ka ng pag investigator. Kapag imposter ka, you need to try and blend in. Yes.
What are you?
Ay, bawi kamihin.
I hate Aliyah because it can be cringe. Alam mo kung bakit ko hate si Aliyah? Kasi sinabihan niya akong,
Ano to? Hindi ko kilala.
nakalagay si football player. What? Ay, football tayo. Hurricane. Kuya. Kaya hate si Aliyah. Wala pa naman eh.
Kasi ano siya,
Wala pa naman, di pa naman alam eh.
sinabihan niya akong cringe. Kasi meron akong ginagawa sa akong profane pic.
That's it? Yeah. Like, show them.
Alam mo yan, nagtatawanan sa isa't isa eh.
Well, that's not my fault.
Anong skills? Strong skills. Ano to mga description na to?
Maybe. What?
Ano to? Ay, layo alam ko kay Hindi kasi! Yung football player, meron sa baba!
Ano?
Meron dun sa baba!
Oo nga, I know, it's Aliyah!
Harry Kanye, yun nakuha nyo?
Oo, Hurricane! Nakuha ko.
Ikaw, Goy, ano nakuha mo?
Hurricane.
Sige, yan na, skip discussion. Vote not, vote for vote.
I'm gonna vote Aliyah.
Yan na, botohan na.
Ayo, Flash?
Sa baba ng word hindi talaga yung football.
Alam ko! Nakita ko yun, huwag mo na
I go. Vote Aliyah. Vote Aliyah. I'm gonna vote Bye. Ano
Baby.
Mga ano, gym. Mga gym.
Ay, naku, may ano, naiba ko. Nagaganto ako, gumaganto ako. Bigla na lang napindot dito sa gitna yung vote. Di ko alam kung sino napindot ko.
Where are you voting?
Na-misclick nga. I misclick, bro. I misclick.
Okay. Let's okay. No, sinat mo. Let's okay. No, siya mo mano tayo. Let's okay.
Investigator win. The word mechanical is, but
Hindi Kanye. When you get out. He get
no.
Can I do another round?
Yeah, we gotta do.
Why can't I move?
Because you know.
If I move, that will move.
Ah! Sana imposter na ako. Ano kaya to?
No, why am I so bad? I'm every.
Ano kaya ang i-describe nyo? Tasty. Because every food is tasty, bro.
Maybe.
Okay, babe.
Anong hey, babe? Maybe.
Ano reaction niya? I think we did.
La, isa yun.
Maybe.
Isa yun, guys. Hindi siya nag-answer, oh. Lah. No. Delicious like bread or cupcake. Okay. Sino kaya? Alam na naman natin eh, di ba? God fruit. Goiping. He's laughing. He's laughing.
No, I'm food.
Hindi.
What food is it?
Hindi, boto tayo sa iba't iba. Tignan natin kung makakachamba tayo.
Bro, I trust you, Dylan.
Tignan natin kung makakachamba tayo.
Discussion.
Mine was super.
Boy, he will
good.
answer now. No, I'm voting na.
Ba't ako boboto mo? Anong ginawa ko sa'yo?
Bro, I'm voting.
Sinabi niya yung word! Hinulaan niya na!
I'm gonna vote.
Si Goiping yata.
I'm not for.
Sana tama tayo.
Sana tama.
Please.
Gusto.
Please. Win. Win. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
You vote.
Ayo chill. Ayo na. Ayo slack. Ayo na. Wait, let's see. Ang galing ko! Ang galing ko! Ang galing ko! Ang galing ko!
Nakalagay sa food.
Oo, food tapos question mark sa baba.
Cut ko na sa akin.
Let me cut too. Let me cut. Okay, superheroes? Superheroes? Yo!
Oh my god! You got two?
Yeah, Deadpool.
Oh, easy! Okay. Ito,
I don't. Tawanan natin siya. Oh, i-describe ko pa para sa inyo. Na si
he's
Deadpool
invincible,
talaga.
right? He's not scared, right? He has two swords, di ba? And two guns.
Oh,
Ayun,
di-describe ko pa.
Ayun,
I-describe
nakuha ko
ko
din.
pa. Wait lang.
Maybe.
He's funny. Funny. Yan. Oh, yan. Di ba kaibigan niya si Wolverine?
Kasi Wolverine.
Yung naka-yellow, yung meron claw, yung wolf. Oh. Kailangan he's friends with Wolverine.
Galing mo mag-imposter
Aliyah.
Sure ka?
Aliyah tayo. Di ba sabi mo ikaw naman naka-Deadpool? Pinakita mo pa nga kay Raiden di ba?
Yes sir daw! Yes sir.
Yep.
Bro, I think Raiden. No, I think it's Dylan. He did answer.
Sinabi ko nga dito, he's friends with Wolverine.
Bro.
Okay,
Smash. Okay.
Yes.
Roblox user.
It hurts.
Sinabi mo sa vegetable, di ba imposter kasi nakakuha ng investigator food vegetable. Sabi mo, it's delicious. Sabi niya,
Kasi lahat ng pagkain delicious eh. Ang galing ko talaga mag-act.
Tapos sabi mo delicious, kaya natiwala ako sa'yo. Hindi siya na po.
Tasty kasi, tasty yung sinabi ko. If it's actually Raiden, I'm a crash. I'm gonna crash. You guys are wrong. I actually did. Naba. Tignan niyo yung tinipe ko.
No.
Naba.
Saka, itong round. Hanggang ilan ito?
Kahit ilan, kung walang mag-leave.